Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 Ethernet not working. So first, check the Ethernet cable is securely connected to both your PC and the router. Then you can simply press in your keyboard Windows plus I. It will going to open the settings. Then go to Network and Internet settings. Here it is. Then click on Ethernet. And make sure Ethernet is enabled. As you can see, here is connected showing. Now we're going to expand the network adapter. For that, what you can do, we can simply close this and click on Windows plus X, and then we can simply select Device Manager. Into the Device Manager, we can simply expand the network adapters. Here it is. After here, we can simply, if it's already enabled, right click on the update. And now here we have to select the Ethernet. Here it is, virtual host only Ethernet adapter. Click on the right mouse button, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers. If it's rightly up to date, then it's all right. Then you can simply restart your PC. Very simple. Then your problem will be solved. So yeah, this is how we can simply solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.